In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reports in Zoho CRM. Let's dive right into it. First things first, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a range of options. Click on the one labeled Reports. Don't worry if it feels like just another click. This is your gateway to unlocking a wealth of information about your CRM data. Once you've landed in the Report section, you're going to want to create a new report. To do this, simply click on New Report. Now this is where things start to get a bit more interesting. You'll see a drop-down menu asking you to choose a primary module. This step is crucial, as the primary module you select determines the starting point for your report. It's essentially the main subject around which all your data will revolve. Go through and select the module that best suits the kind of report you want to generate. If you find that you need more data beyond the primary module, Zoho CRM makes it super easy to expand your report. You'll notice plus icons around the module. These are your tools for adding more depth to your report. If there's additional data related to your primary module that you want to include, go ahead and click those plus icons to add additional modules. Hovering over these icons will show you which ones allow you to add parent or child modules. Let's say you decide to add a parent module. Click on the green plus icon situated above your primary module. Alternatively, if a child module suits your needs better, click the blue plus icon located below. These features allow you to expand your report by incorporating different but related sets of data, giving you a fuller picture of what's occurring in your CRM. Now, in the case that you add a child module, you'll be prompted to choose its relationship type. You have two options, inclusive or exclusive. Choosing inclusive will include data entries that appear in all selected modules, whereas exclusive will only include entries unique to the chosen modules. Each option shapes the report's outcome differently, so choose according to the insights you aim to reveal. After you've settled on all the modules and relationships you want to include, the next step is hitting the Continue button. From here, Zoho CRM works its magic to pull together all the data you've meticulously chosen. What you'll see on your screen now is your data neatly arranged in a table format. This is the foundation of your report. And there you have it. You've now generated a report in Zoho CRM. Of course, don't forget that this table can be customized further to better fit your specific needs and preferences, but that is a topic for another day. For now, just take a moment to appreciate the comprehensive snapshot of your CRM activities, neatly laid out and ready for you to analyze. Happy reporting!